Done. Done, done. 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 Hi, today I'm going to be doing something special. I'm going to try random food from my fridge. Okay, let's do it. I need a spoon and a fork. I'm ready to eat. I need a napkin. Wait. You need to. Let's go. Actually, I'm gonna get a. Stuck. Sorry, guys. I need to get prepared for my videos more. What is this? Doesn't look like anything bad, so. Okay. Let's go. What am I gonna eat? Is that? Pinch, 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 pinch. I can eat this.
Go bring that to the office and put it downstairs.
Oh no! Why did you do that, Mom? Why did you do that? Why? Okay, well, you guys are coming over.
Okay, excuse me, what are you doing in here?
Doing a YouTube video. What are you doing? Some cold noodles.
No, you're gonna eat. You're not.
I know, but this is my appetizer.
Go get it.
Some cold noodles, fresh from the chiller. Oh, this is so cold. Oh, just a second. There we go. I enjoyed that very much. Wouldn't you? What do I have in my beautiful refrigerator?
This is what we have to read.
Okay.
This is what we have to read.
Some beef sticks. It says Old Wisconsin Snack Bites. Beef sausage bites. That's good. Fresh from Old Wisconsin. Uh-huh. What else could I try? What do you guys think I should try?
Okay, Mom, can you help me?
You know what? Yeah.
What is shit?
Oh.
What is Shay? Mom, what does it say?
Okay, out of the kitchen.
Bye.